Okay, welcome back. This is part 4 of our result calculation analysis. And today we'll be looking at the class teacher or the school proprietors is ready to look at the 10 best students in this subject. That is, they want to see the best 10 students, this most score, those students that score the highest score, the first 10 students score the highest score. And to do that, we're using a visual element, and that will take us to the feature of one of the feature of Microsoft Excel called pivot table. So I'm going to use pivot table today to analyze these results in a better form. So to do that, this is our data set. I'm sure this data set is not new to you. We have done all these things, grade, remark, CA in our previous video. So to do that, to go to pivot table, we click on this, select the table we want to use, the data set you want to use. You can select it like this to the endpoint, or you can just click one cell within the period, within the data set. Then the next thing to do is to go to insert. Insert, from your menu bar, you will see pivot table. Click on pivot table. Then it will load, bring up a small window. This is a small window. This window will tell you the range covered by this data set. Then click OK. Now you can see this view is a bit different from this view. This is our data set. This is pivot table. So from here now, this is how we do the analysis. So I will move this is what you can see from here, from the right hand side here, pivot table fields. These are my fields in the data set. I will need to work with the serial number. That means the name of student or the material number of the student. Then with their with their scores. So I'll move the serial number, which is representing the names here, to the row. Now move the score. That is CA plus exam. I'll move it to the value. You can see it's from this side that I have. Let me zoom it a bit to be clearer. I have these rows from 1 to 28, and I have the scores here. Okay. From here, I will begin the filtering. So let me sort it. Let me sort it based on this side. Let me sort it from the highest to smallest. Sorting. Okay, it's not allowed here yet. I can. Okay, let me first filter it to the best 10 students. So click on this row label. Click on this small arrow. I want to filter it. You can see value filter. If I want to remove some of them here, I can remove some of them, but I want to filter. I will use value filter. Then I don't want to use equal, does not equal to greater than. I'm not concerned about that. The major concern is to see the top 10. So I'll click top 10. So top 10 students. I'll click OK. You can see from here now, all these the 28 students has been reduced to just 10. And these 10 are the one that scored the highest mark in the results. Okay. So the next thing is I cannot do the visual elements for this, but I'm confused. Just wrong. It's something here. Probably I choose the wrong one. I'm saying, what did I choose here? Let me see what I choose here. Okay, I use exam. That was why I know that the total score, they are more than these values. 60 something I'm seeing here. So let me change this sum of exam. I'm supposed to use the total score, which is the CA plus exam, this. So you can say I'm expecting a higher score than that 60 something. So I have 85 now. So let me filter it now. What I did earlier, I will just click on this. I will see filter. I will see select some to. Then what I want to do is filter. Click on value filter. Then I'm dealing with. You can see various options you can use to filter. These are not possible on normal basic Excel, but this is possible in pivot table. What I want to do with. I'm really concerned with the top 10. I will just click top 10. From this top 10, I limit it to top 5. I have limited to top 3, but top 10 is fine by me. That's the instruction. So I'll just click OK. You can see the result has been limited to just 10 students. And these 10 students are the best one that scored the highest scores. You can see this to this. So I can sort this. I can sort this. Let me sort it. I want to sort it. I want it to be from sort it from the highest to lowest. Highest to lowest. Highest to lowest. You can see. So highest score is 90, it's 8, 50. So from here you can actually see the top 10 students But like I said, we said earlier, our target is to see it through the visual element. So just select the table, then we'll go to click on insert from menu bar. Then click on recommended. You will see chat section. You can recommended charts. So this kind of chart is better to use a column chart. Is better. We have the type of charts, line chart, pie chart, but I prefer since we are comparing. So column chart is the best. Column chart is the best. Then we'll click OK. Can see the column chart. So these are our charts now. So you can tell from here that the number 7, or a certain particular student scores the highest score. Score the highest score. So we can label each of them if you want. You can label it. You can see this type will label it for you. You can see 99, 88. So if you want this type to label it, if you want a version 1, you understand? Let me just use this. I think I prefer this. You understand? So with this, we have, you can use it, this is presentable and understandable to everyone compared to accessing data from the table. You can tell from it, okay, number 7, Karim Abdullah scored the highest score. You can see from here and the like. So thank you. We meet once again. We meet next time.